in Villarta. Hey guys, I just got off work at 7:30 this morning. It's probably 8 or 8:30 right now. We're in Villarta, picking up my daughter-in-law's celebration food. She wanted both those con carnitas, and I'll show you. I'm gonna go. So I got some chicken right there. They have chicharrones. This is the carnitas right here. And they have all the chicharrones in there. Bella, you want to say hi to the camera, Bella? Can I get a picture of your dress? I love your bows. Yes, I do. Let me go around and get your dress. Oh, how pretty. Oh, kitty.
Yeah.
Can turn around for the... Oh.
Is that que viene siendo la gran?
The what?
Grant es que
Oh,
le
grant, a grant, yeah, esa beca.
Sí. Sí, se las quitan.
It's a pretty boy.
Pero,
Mira. Te va a morder.
I know he will.
Le digo
His
yo
tail's
a
mad.
Cecilia, no.
Okay, I'm
Es que la
sorry.
niña ahorita
Don't bite me, okay? Don't bite me.
Es la
Hi guys. It's Saturday. Happy Saturday. It's raining. It's pouring. And I'm going to work. We celebrated my daughter-in-law's birthday today. Her birthday was earlier in the week. My grandson's birthday was yesterday, but I didn't get to see him. Apparently he's working a lot, spending lots of time with a girlfriend. And that's my oldest grandson that I'm talking about. Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm still adjusting to the 12-hour shifts. I have probably about 8 videos in the queue. Needing 2 of them have already been edited and ready to do the finishing touches and make the snapshot picture for the video, you know, just the last minute stuff. That's all I have to do that. But I'm serious, like today I had 4 hours sleep. Yesterday was 3 hours sleep, and I'm working 12 hours. So that'll tell you something. I cannot find my rhythm. So as I was saying, I got to do things that I have to take care of. Sorry for chewing. Chomping on gum when I'm talking to you guys. Like I said, I just can't find my rhythm. I'm trying to still, you know, find my happy medium here. Taking care of my responsibilities that I have to take care of during the day, appointments, etc. That type of stuff. And it takes away my sleep time. And that's about it, you guys. My life in a nutshell. Short and sweet. And I'm sure the majority of you guys can totally identify. Oh, I will, once I get some time to sit down and edit, I'm going to do them all and schedule them to go up. Maybe one right after the other, day by day, or 2 a day. I don't know. We'll see how that turns out. But I gotta turn this off, you guys. Love you. Peeps, good morning. I'm driving home from work. I am sleepy, but I'm going to give it a good try to stay awake and edit at least one video so I can upload it to YouTube. So I just want to pop in and say good morning and finish off yesterday's driving vlog. Love you. Good morning. Good morning. Oh shoot, it's not moving. I'm in an elevator. I just got off work and I came to get my TB, my mandatory TB test that they do every year. I'm kind of freaking. I guess I didn't press the button hard enough. Really sleepy. Can't wait to get home so we'll be out of there. That was so pretty right there.